Hello guys, greetings to you all. How are we doing? How are you doing today? So today I want to show us how to draft a basic sleeve pattern from the scratch. Okay, please, if you find this video useful, kindly subscribe, like and share. And thank you so much for watching. That being said, let's get to the practical part of it. So before you start drafting your sleeve pattern, okay, this is what you should do first. Now the fabric you're going to sew on, you take the arm side of that particular material. Most people will use this just to know the basic um, measurement for your arm side. If you have watched my previous video, I've shown you how to take the armhole measurement. Just in case you don't have, or you want to practice with it, or in case you don't have a fabric to work with, this is what you do. You take your tape rule and take around the armhole, like so. Okay, you stick it like so. Whatever you have, this is what you use to draft your basic sleeve pattern, right? But if you already have the fabric and you're about to attach the sleeve, okay, to the fabric, this is what you do. You take the fabric, like this is mine right now, all right? This is the armhole of my arm, of the gown. This is the armhole. So you take your rule, just watch this, and then take it around the arm side, like so. You take it from one point and measure it round, like this, like so. Okay, like so, to the beginning point, like so. That means what I've done, I've taken it around the armhole, and my measurement I have here is what? I have 18. My measurement is 18. So all you need to do is to take around the armhole if you're about to attach sleeve to your fabric. Then if you don't want to attach the sleeve to your fabric and you just want to know how to draft the basic sleeve, just take around the arm side of your body. All right, this is it, around the arm side. That being said, let's get to the next part. So guys, there is a formula for the armhole around. So after taking the armhole around, like I showed you, okay, there is a formula for that. Now what I got for mine was 18. Okay, I got 18. Around the armhole was 18. Now there's a formula for it. You don't just start sewing. So what's the formula? The formula is written in this manner, please. It's written in this form. Armhole, you write your armhole around, you can put it this way, okay, divided by 3 minus 1.5. Now remember that the armhole is this 18. The armhole is the 18, which is around the armhole. Okay, so this is just the formula. Then the next one is going to be armhole around. Let me use 18 right now so you understand. Armhole divided by 2 minus 1.5. So the first one is the armhole, which is the same thing as 18. But this time is divided by 3 minus 1.5. Then you do take another one again, which is the same armhole, which is 18 divided by 2 minus 1.5. Okay, whatever you have is the answer. Like now, let me put the answers here. For the one divided by 3, I got 4.5. So your own armhole around, all right, your own armhole around is what you divide by 3 minus 1.5. So whatever you have is the answer in what we'll use in drafting the basic sleeve. Okay, then the other one, which is 18 divided by 2 minus 1.5, the answer here is 7.5. I've done the calculation already, so you can do yours and you use that in drafting your sleeve. All right, so once you've done this, now it's time to draft the sleeve, because these are the answers. These answers is what I'll use to draft the sleeve. If you've done this, congratulations. Let's move to the next point. 18 divided by 3 minus 1.5, which is equals to 4.5. Now this is what I'll use as the what? As the length. Then the other one, which is 18 divided by 2 minus 1.5, which gave me 7.5, is what I'll use as the what? Bicep. All right, so just know this too. So when you get to the practical part of it, I told you this one will be for the length and this will be the bicep. So all you need to do now is this: you take your measurement and measure 4.5. 4.5 is what I used for my length. So from this point here, you measure down 4.5. This is my 4.5. Just take it all the way down 4.5. So I have a straight line, if you can see that. Now I have to connect these two lines together like so, and then connect. Now this line is going to represent what? My length. Now the next one is the bicep. If you remember this part here, which is 7.5, will be the bicep. So how do I apply this on the line? You just come here. Now from this point here, you measure in 7.5. From this point here, you measure in 7.5. This is by 7.5, and then put a mark like so. Hope you can see that. That's my 7.5. Now you do the same thing at the top, because we need a straight line. 7.5. Now you have this like a box. All right, connect it together like so. All right, now we have a form of box, if you can see that. All right, so this line now I just got now, from here to here is my length, and then this line here is my bicep. You can actually do this way if it pleases you, for you to understand. From here to here is length. You can just put it like so, length. Then here will be the what? Bicep. I hope you understand. This is the bicep. Why this is the length? So you know that from here to here length, and from here to this point is the bicep. So what do we do now? Next is to connect this point to this point to get a slanty line like so. Now once you've drawn that line, find the midpoint on this line. What do? Take your tape, make it as quick as possible and as easy as possible. From here to here, all right? From the up point to this point my hand is 8/7/8. Just fold your tape like so. Okay, leave it and then put a mark there. Now what I've done now, I've found the midpoint of here and here. So what you do next is to find the midpoint of this part, from this point to this point, and then this point. You can label it like A, B, and then C. So what you need to do now is to find the midpoint of A and B, and then this as well as the midpoint of B and C. How do you do it? Because they are the same. Just take your tape like so. From this point to where you have B, fold it. All right, and then put your mark. Now it's the same measurement with this. I already know it now. Just bring it here and put a mark. All right, so now we have A. Find the midpoint of A and B, which is this, and then the midpoint of B and C, which is this. All right, I hope you understand to this point. Now this is what we do next. Now this is standard. Okay, we'll get a 6/8 inches on the top line. What's my 6/8? Meaning from this point you just have your, this is my half. Okay, my half here, then you have 5/6. This is my 6/8. Place your 6/8 at the top like so. Mark your 6/8 like so and leave it there. Just leave it there. Then on this point here, okay, you move up by 1/2 inch. What's my 1/2 inch? This is my 1/2 inch. That's from here to the midpoint, which is this one, is a half. Move up from here by 1/2 inch like so. Then you come down here also like so by 1/2 inch. Now this is where you need a curve ruler. I don't have one for now, but I can use my hand. If you have one, you can just as well curve from here. I don't have anything to do here. Just curve from this point, all right, to this point. Then bend your hand, just follow it like so. Your curve ruler should do this better for you. You see that? Then curve it down to this remaining ½ inch here, like so, and then all the way down. All right, see, I've gotten my curve. If you follow it, you understand it properly. Now, that being said, now let's get the length. I'm just going to use a short length depending on how long you want your sleeve to be. I'm going to use 10 inches for me. All right, you can make yours as long as you want, but this is just the basic. I don't want it long, so I'm stopping by 10 inches. So from here, like so, you take your measurement up from the beginning point down to your length desired. I'm using 10, so I'll stop by 10, like so, and then I'll do the same here, like so, 10. Now, once you've achieved that, all you need to do is to connect this with a straight line. Okay, now on this part, you need your bicep around. Where is the bicep around? The bicep is the fullest part of the arm. So guys, how to take your bicep? This is what you do. You place your arm. Now this is the fullest part of my arm. Just take it around the fullest part of the arm, like so. Okay, this is how to get your bicep. So mine is 12. I don't know if it's looking upside down, but I'm using 12 for mine. Okay, so you can take yours and use yours as well. This is how to take the bicep measurement. So guys, I've shown you how to take your bicep measurement, which is around the arm, fullest part of the arm, which I did, and I got 12. Okay, I got 12 inches. Now this 12 inches, I'll divide it by 2. All you need to do, just take your tape, fold it, make it as quick as possible. Of course, half of 12 is 6. All right, now half of 12 is what? 6. You come down here and then measure your 6 inches. So this is how to get this style. Like, I'm using this as a short sleeve, but I'm going to show you how to get the long sleeve as well. Okay, now that being said, all you need to do now, you still need your curve ruler. Since I don't have my curve ruler close to me, all you need to do, dap it like so to this point. My hand is straight, but you can use your curve ruler. Those that cannot, that have the curve, you can use it. I don't need my curve ruler. So that being said, I'm done with that part. Then what you need also, which is very important when it comes to pattern drafting, is your 2 inches. If you're following me, you notice I talk about my 2 inches a lot. So my 2 inches is my sewing allowance. So from here to here, you mark your 2 inches like so, like so. Connect. Now that's 6 inches. You take it from here in, so your line will be straight. This is my 2 inches. Connect like so, and then from here to here, you come out by 2/8. I don't want to use the metal part, so I'm using from number 1. So you know my 2/8. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. That's 2/8. That's 2 points. Now connect from here to here. Voila! Our basic sleeve is ready. Remember that here will be cut on fold. All right, so that's our basic short sleeve. Thanks for watching, guys. So I'll show you how to cut and sew this sleeve in our next class. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next class. Bye for now. Bye bye.